I'm so high even when I'm coming down. Just met a girl, say she from the H-Town. I say my name is
Last time on Lovett. You're good. I was like saying, we're gonna record you. Now let's continue. Floor L. Ice with almond milk and milk. I forgot to mention why I was even in Nashville, y'all. Other than to party and have a good time. But my good friend Myrna's daughter, Nairobi, is graduating from Fisk University. And so I'm here to celebrate this awesome, amazing time in her life. So, y'all, we partied, viewed the museum and other little events. But guess what time it is? It's time to get ready for this graduation. So here we go.
My sister's murder was headline news.
I've been moving, God, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good when I'm alone, hey. Leave me in the studio, hey, wait. Daily self-discovery, yeah, holiday recovery, wait. They love them instead of me. And still bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They wish and 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 She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my cat and my snowboard, I'm sorry. 93, I even got it tatted on me. 2012, lady, I'm not feeling sorry. And you know me, without T there probably would be no me, dog. Holler back at me in 2023. Lying bitches up from the nosebleeds, yeah. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own. Here's to me and Team Thoreau, yeah. Holding down Colorado.
Big number. Class 2023.
Oh, here she comes.
She's the last one. Okay.
She got on the white. Something on white.
Yeah. Yes.
Boy, if you don't sit your butt down, bruh.
She's a Delta. No, they just they
like
support.
brothers.
No, they support.
Yeah.
Okay.
They are. I know. Shows Brandon.
All day?
Y'all supposed to wait till they say Suma all the stuff afterwards.
No.
No, but you would have one was telling us what to do. You would have the shot. Johnson.
Staying true to 303, yeah. I hope one day Drake see me, yeah. Summer dropping my EP, and still bad things. There's a lot of bad things. They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and
by tomorrow's literally not promised. Every day.
Yes, Lord.
You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like peach tree. I could tell you crazy, but shit kinda intrigue me. Seen it on the gram, tryna see that shit in 3D. 6 got tall, but I ain't tryna get preachy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely, but you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Play no games, play no games. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing, they ain't really love you. Running game, using all your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in. Don't let them niggas play, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on the playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Play no games, play no games.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, that when you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug. And I can't shake this habit, no. I've been there, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, you're missing.
Okay, y'all, today is the last day in Nashville. My plane to Houston is expected to leave out of Nashville at 11, and I should arrive back home about 1 o'clock, if not before. Who y'all, Nashville do not owe me anything. I've seen a little bit of this and a whole lot of that, okay? And I was literally amazed at the jam-packed fun you could actually have here in Nashville on Broadway Street, or just that little general area. You don't have to go nowhere else, y'all. I promise you. But I really, really enjoyed myself. The graduation was amazing, y'all. And I'm not even a big graduation type of person, but the graduation was really nice. I really, really enjoyed myself. And the weather down here was, to me, not that bad. We didn't really get any rain. We probably got like a little drizzle. It did get cold, but not cold. Not like cold to your bone cold. But you have to have like a little jacket cold, you know, like in the high 40s or what have you. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and until next time, yeah, but this probably gonna be, I ain't gonna say that. I'm gonna say this probably gonna be our one and only travel vlog, but hey, you never know. Deuce.
So high, even when I'm coming down. Just met a girl, say she from the H-Town. I say my name is Drizzy, and ain't nobody realer. Cup inside a cup, smoking Ghostface Killer. Got these poppers going crazy, nigga, I'm the man. I sent your girl a message, said I see you when I can. She sent me one back, but I ain't never read it. Cause pussy's only pussy, and I get it when I need it.